Hi, I'm Dr. Gigi at Olean Dental Studio, and I normally get a lot of questions at your dental checkups, so I just want to help you and answer some of these. One of the most common questions is, Doctor, why do I need dental checkups? So a dental checkup, we check your x-rays. Normally we take bitewings. Those are x-rays in between the teeth to see if you have any cavities. Cavities can grow if you're not flossing enough, if you've changed your medications, or even if you have some hormones that have changed within your whole body. Another question I get is, how often should I get my dental checkup? Usually it's once a year unless something different has changed, whether you broke a tooth, whatnot. But a regular dental checkup we can do once a year after your dental cleaning appointments. How can a dental checkup help my oral health? Well, during these checkup appointments, we'll check your x-rays, we'll clinically see your teeth and see if any cavities have formed or if there's any gum disease that has started that may have arisen and something that was new, or just maintaining your teeth healthy is our main concern. Does it hurt? No, it shouldn't hurt because we're just taking a look, analyzing your x-rays, your teeth clinically, and just trying to get you into your healthiest state. And how long does it take? That's gonna depend on your mouth. Each mouth and every tooth is very individual, just like your fingernails or your toes. Every tooth can have something different, a crown, a filling, and we never know if something new develops. So that's why it's very important that we do your checkups once a year or when you come in for your dental cleaning. Last but not least is, how is the best way for me to schedule my dental checkup appointment? Well, you can give us a call, email us, or just check to see if we have already scheduled your checkup appointment within that year of your dental cleaning. You can always come in just for a routine checkup appointment. It doesn't have to be within your cleaning, but it's most best that yes. I hope I've been able to answer all of your questions about dental checkups. And if you have any questions, doubts, or concerns, please just give us a call so we can better help you and check your teeth out.